Today I am really excited to share something fresh from my garden. I've added a few new fruit plants in my tiny container gardening space, and in this video I will show you which plants I chose, why they are perfect for pots, and some quick tips to make them thrive. From a local nursery, I bought some plants that cost me around 1000 rupees. Some of them can fruit twice a year and some can produce once a year. These Katimon Mango and Golden Age Guava represent a new wave of grafted fruit plants designed for year-round harvests, compact growth, and container gardening. For home gardeners, they mean more fruits in less space and not having to wait for a single season to enjoy the harvest. On the other hand, Chhatoki Mandarin, KG10 Java Plum, Seedless Litchi, and Rose Apple are all improved varieties developed for better yield, taste, and container adaptability. Together, they offer a diverse collection from citrusy mandarins and sweet jamuns to exotic seedless lychees and ornamental rose apples. Perfect for gardeners who want both beauty and harvest in limited space. Each of these plants are grafted and tested varieties compatible for container gardening. In India, these varieties are very popular for dwarf nature and high yield. Unlike seed-grown plants that take years to bear fruit, these grafted plants start fruiting much earlier, sometimes within 1 to 2 years. The strong rootstock protects the plant from common soil diseases. Also, they stay small and manageable, which makes them ideal for containers. Now there's a myth that fruit trees need big garden, but that's not true. With right container, soil mix and care, you can easily grow fruits at home even in small spaces. Just keep a few things in mind. Start with an 8 or 10 inch pot and then gradually move on to bigger size as the plant grows. Use a well draining soil mix. I prefer garden soil, compost and river sand to prepare a stellar mix. You can add some amount of neem cake and bone meal with the mix. Place fruit plants at the most sunny area of your garden. At least 5 to 6 hours of direct sun is essential for a plant. Fruit plants need a lot of energy for growth and fruiting, and that's why feed them at regular intervals, preferably every 20 to 30 days. Use organic manures, compost, liquid mustard cake fertilizer, or seaweed extract, whichever you have got plenty of them. After planting, apply humic acid solution to reduce transplant shock and faster root growth. I chose these plants because they are easy for beginners and very rewarding. Just imagine picking a fresh, juicy fruit from your own garden. That's what makes container gardening so special. I will keep sharing updates as they grow and start fruiting. If you are planning to start, I recommend these plants I have just shown you. They do really well in pots. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gardening updates. And tell me in the comments which fruit plant would you love to grow in container. See you in the next one. Stay fit and happy gardening.